Hello students, welcome to brainstorming classes. Today I'll be explaining you rules of narration. So number one, rule of narration is the change of pronoun. Like as I already said in my previous video, like first person, second person and third person. Like in first person we use I and we, okay, and in second person we use you, okay. So and in third person we use he, she or they, okay. So in first person, okay, changes are there but depending on the subject, okay. Similarly in second person also depending on the subject, but in third person there is usually no change. So if I say about the changes of tense, how tense changes, if the tense changes, how the narration, the rules of narration changes. Like in simple, if it is in simple present, becomes simple past when you use it. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Again repeating, simple present becomes simple past. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Then will becomes would, shall becomes should, can becomes could, may becomes might. But there are certain exceptions. Okay, if the reported statement is a universal truth or fact or habitual action, there is usually no change. If I say the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, so what we have to use, like the teacher said, if I say the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west, then if we change it into narration, we have to say the teacher said that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. There is actually no change. Now narration, if there is change in time and places, then now becomes then, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, here becomes there, ago becomes before. Okay, when there is change of reporting verbs, okay, for statements like said, if there is statement, for any statement, if it is said, then told becomes said that, okay, or told that, okay. Said or told becomes said that or told that. For questions, like I have to use or we have to use asked, inquired, okay, like that, okay. For yes or no questions, use if or whether, always if or whether. For imperatives, okay, like order, you have to use order, request, advise, suggested, okay, forbid, etc. Okay. So like these are the few things which are very much important for you to know for narration. There are other things also in case of indirect speech and direct speech, okay. So for these things, if you really want to know something more about narration and some exercises how the things happens, then please tune to our channel and press the bell icon and give us comment in the comment section, okay, or call us. Thank you.